Time for those unboxings. Limited edition Mumbai only specific shoes. This one's gonna be a little bit different than what my normal ones are, but I'm in India, as you guys know, as I've been for a while. Here for like a month, and I have an unboxing of something that you can't get in the US anymore because apparently they just discontinued the ability to get in the US and slash the website, the US website and the store from Rodeo. Which we could do a separate video, but anyway, I got one of these last year, and so I decided to get another one because I've been newer to this brand. But these are a limited edition one, only available. Limited edition, only available in. Sorry, I had to stop for a second. It's looking pretty, but in all my morning stuff. Okay, so like I was saying, limited edition, one of a kind, not one of a kind. Limited edition, India specific only, Onitsuka Tiger Bear. Limited India specific only edition. Okay. So these were only available in India, so I had to get them. Only available at this store in Mumbai, apparently. Mumbai only specific, I think. Limited edition, Mumbai only specific shoes, okay? Like I said, I had to get these because they're limited and they're cool. They're a little bit too big for me. They're the wrong size, but they only had that, and I just feel like I'm gonna wear a thick sock, and we're gonna make it work, okay? So, let's unbox. Let's unbox them back. Okay, it's Onitsuka Tiger, okay? Limited edition Onitsuka Tiger. So, they were 16,500. Don't worry, that's Indian currency. That is rupees, which is about, I think, like $100, $200. Okay? This isn't a very, like, okay, yeah, so their size 45. I usually wear 44. I'm already stuffed, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to take this box, so that's why I wanted to unbox it now. Okay, here they are. They are, it's the Onitsuka Tiger. They're these like new, I don't know if they're new, but I've never seen them. I don't know, they look really cool. I'll show you the shopping vlog too. Okay, they're like gray and black, zebra, or whatever, tiger stripes, and I feel like they're good for every day and give you a little height, and also just like so cool and different, and especially because they are limited, and they can go with everything, and they're really comfy. They're very comfy. That's what I love about these shoes in general. They're very comfy. So yeah, that's it. Do you want me to put them on? Should I put them on? This is getting into a longer video, and now I'm getting hot. It's very hot in India. Come on. They kind of go with my camo thing. What do we think? Pretty cool. Okay, bye.